That's football player. What's his name? Kansas. What a burger! What a burger! And people are walking here. What they're doing here? Just walk around buying nothing. They just want to see this place. Well known Las Vegas for gambling, nightlife. Las Vegas never sleep. Just take a nap. That's Aria. That's a Bruno, me. Hello, Bruno. The Cosmopolitan. Left-turn tayo sa McDonald, Panda, to Prada, Cosmopolitan, Planet Hollywood. Diyan si Planet Hollywood. This where the my friend works, me. Husband and wife. They said I've been trying to apply as a manager. They try to offer them that they have a degree, master's degree, but they haven't worked. They didn't work out. Ano naman to? Weekend matinee. What's this? Cirque.
Cirque du Soleil.
$49. New York, New York.